Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the New Indian History newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 1, 2023. Hard Sudoku. Column J, second row, we have 1. So one can't come these cells, then one is confirmed here. Column J, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Then third grade, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. Third row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, the 9 is here. Column E, we have 6 and 5. So 6 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in any one of these cells, will confirm later. Then second grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 9. Third row, we have 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. Second row, we have 1. So 1 can't come this cell, 1 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then only one number is remaining, second grade, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 7. Column C, column B, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells, then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. It will come in any one of these cells, will confirm later. Then first grade, fourth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 8, 9. It will come in any one of these cells, will confirm later. Column J, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 7. Fifth row, we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. Ninth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column E, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 7, 8. Fifth row, we have 4, 7, 2. The 3 numbers can't come the cell, it will come in one of the 3 cells, it will confirm later. Column E, 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 7, 8. Fifth row, we have 2, 7 and 4. The 3 numbers can't come this cell, it will come in one of the 3 cells, it will confirm later. Then column E, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Sixth row, 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Sixth grade, we have 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells, it will confirm later. Then fifth row, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Seventh row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, then 9 is confirmed here. Then fifth row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column F, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Seventh row, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come these cells, it will come in one of these cells. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 8. 8th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in any one of these cells, will confirm later. 7th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 3, 7. 6th grade, column E, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in any one of these cells, confirm later. 10th row, column I, we have pair numbers, 2 and 9. So 2 and 9 can't come these cells, it will come in any one of these cells, it will confirm later. 10th row and 8th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells, then 5 is confirmed here. 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 6. 8th row, column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. The ninth grid, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in any one of these cells. Confirm later. 10th row and 8th row we have 1. So it can't come these cells. Then it is confirmed here. The 9th row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 7th grid will already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 9th grid, only one numbers are remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column B, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 8th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column H, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, two numbers are remaining, 4 and 7. It will come in one of these cells, confirm later. Column D and 7th grade, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade, 8th row, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column H and 6th grade, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 5th grade and 6th row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.